Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the web-based learning tool Go Formative to help you assess your students' learning, and you're able to actually watch your students record their responses while they're recording them, and you can watch them all at the same time. So once you've created your account at goformative.com, it's free, and you would sign up for a teacher account. You would begin by going to dashboard. And they do have a great selection of formative assessments that have already been created, but you can also create your own. For this one, I decided to do look up if they had a fraction module, which they did, on addition and subtraction of fractions. So I am going to pick the bottom one, explore part-to-whole relationships. So I'm just going to click on the far left, and I'm going to click assign. Now, to assign to my whole class, I'm actually just going to click the link and copy it and email it to all of them. Or I could also, if they pulled up the Formative website, they could just go and enter this code there, either or. So what I'll do is I'll actually open the link so we can see from a student's perspective as well. So once I have shared the link with them, then I can go and actually take a look at their live results. You can also manipulate the already created formative assessments. So now if I log on as a student, I've just clicked, pasted the URL, and this is what it looks like from a student's perspective. So number one is draw the following ribbons. So I'm just gonna draw something here like this, and I'll just go back and see what it looks like from my perspective. So as you can see, my name's here. I can click on Zoom and I can see what the student is creating. I can also go and actually grade it at the exact same time. So I'll click X there. Now, if the students log on to Go Formative, you can actually give written feedback right away to every student. But if you use the URL or the quick link, you're only able to give a grade and no written feedback. When you go to the live results page and you go to the top left-hand corner, you have two options to look at every single question or a summary of your class. Now, if we had more students here, you would be able to see a bit clearer the answers that were given and the scores that I gave each student to see how the class was doing overall. Another feature to Go Formative is that you can provide the scores for students and close the questions as well. So if you wanted to make it a test where they could not go back into their responses, then you could actually close it so that they get their answer right away by you, but they cannot go in and change it right away.